Okay, y'all, I am currently in Aldi doing some grocery shopping. I haven't been in store in a minute, but let me show y'all what I got so far. Now I have some oranges and bananas. I'm gonna get these mini bagels. They're only $2.79. I downloaded the Aldi app so I could see how much everything was gonna be, and I think I'm gonna spend like a little over $40 in here, which isn't bad. And then I still have to go to Walmart, so far I just have bread and fruit, and now I'm gonna get some snacks. I'm gonna get these chocolate chip cookies. They are $2.15 right here. So in the app it said the cookies were $2.39, but in store they're on sale for $2.15. And I've noticed that even with the mini bagels, they were more on the app than they were in store. So be careful with that if you're ordering your groceries online, because they might be cheaper in store and they haven't like updated on the app. So far I'm getting a couple things cheaper than what I thought. The only thing Brock requested was s'mores Pop-Tarts. So that's what he's going to get. Loves his s'mores Pop-Tarts. Baby Drew requested peaches. So I'm gonna get her a few cans of peaches. I low-key want to make my own cinnamon brown sugar cream cheese spread, because I have some cinnamon and brown sugar at home. But I think I'm just gonna get it at Walmart, because they just have regular whipped chive and onion, and then strawberry, which strawberry looks good, but I don't think Brock wants that. Meatballs are on sale, so I'm gonna get these. Which looks like it might be a little more here than at Walmart. How many pounds? Oh, no, it's about the same. It says 2.44 pounds for $9.74. So I'll get this one. Chicken breast tenderloins. I want to make some chicken tenders one day. And I'm going to do the maple flavored sausage, which is $7.75. Ooh, these look really good. Antioxidant plus caffeine, sparkling water, tropical, berry citrus. Ooh. Flavor is this? Tri-berry. Okay. $1.19. Alright, they have these at Walmart. I'm debating if I want to eat them from here or just get them at Walmart, because I know they're good at Walmart, but I'm going to try them out of here. Next time I come, I have to try this. That looks so good. So since I'm seeing that some of the stuff in Aldi is cheaper in the store than online, I'm gonna go in my Walmart app and see and compare the prices from Walmart here. And if I can get it at a few cheaper, I'm gonna get what I was gonna get at Walmart in here. So let me go ahead and do another loop around the store and check my Walmart app. All right, this isn't a big difference, but it's $1.97 at Walmart, and in here it's $1.95. Muffins are $1.48 at Walmart, and they're $1.45 in here. I'm just gonna get them out of here. Baby Drew did request Doritos. I'm gonna get these because it's only $1.79, and I highly doubt they're gonna eat a whole bag of Doritos anyway, so I'm just gonna get those. I'm gonna try this roasted garlic spaghetti sauce. Talking about Valentine's Day candy 25% off. That is not enough for me. Okay, now I'm at Walmart and I want to show y'all what I was talking about. The dark chocolate pomegranates. These, oh my, these are addicting. I've gone through 3 bags in 3 weeks. I'm hoping the ones I got at Aldi taste like these. If not, I will be making a trip back up to Walmart just for these. These have become my favorite snack, and it's limited edition, so I don't know if they're going to be getting rid of this soon, but these are so good. Try these if you haven't already. And they're $4.98. The way I have y'all set up, I'm playing a very dangerous game right now. Okay, I just made it back from Aldi, Walmart, and then I went to Dollar Tree. Let me show y'all what I got in Dollar Tree. I forgot to get paper towels and paper plates in Dollar Tree. But when the kids come home, I may run back up there. Right now, I don't know if it's the cold or if it's because I live up 3 flights of stairs. But it almost took me out running these groceries upstairs. I almost fell out on the floor. So I will not be leaving back out anytime soon. But I did get some honey because I think I want to do honey Chipotle chicken tenders, like the ones you get from Chili's. And then Brock needed some deodorant. But y'all know honey is pretty expensive. So this is 100% pure honey. The only ingredient on the back is honey. And it was only $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So I got that and brought some deodorant. And then that was all I got from Dollar Tree. Now let me show y'all Walmart, and then I'm gonna show you guys Aldi. And I think I remember how much I spent in Aldi. It was $66. And then in Walmart I spent $14.76. All right, so this is from Walmart. I got some garlic bread. I think I'm gonna do this garlic bread with spaghetti and meatballs. And then I have some breadsticks, but we're gonna do this with Alfredo. And then I have some coleslaw right here. I think Baby Drew likes coleslaw. So I'm gonna eat this with the honey Chipotle chicken tenders. Brown sugar and cinnamon cream cheese spread for their bagels. I got some Chipotle sauce to mix in with the honey. Hopefully that's good. I don't know if it will be. We shall see. Classic Alfredo sauce for Alfredo night. The kids really like this pasta side, the chicken flavor. And we're going to have that with our chicken tenders as well. I got the Italian meatballs for spaghetti and meatballs. I got some chicken breast tenderloins for the chicken tenders. And then some ground beef. I don't even know what I'm making with this. But we just always need ground beef, so I went ahead and picked that up. Maple flavored sausage for breakfast sandwiches. Oranges. Salad. We're going to have a salad with the spaghetti and meatballs. Got some bananas because the kids tore up the bananas at my mom's house. So I guess they're in the mood for bananas again. Last time I bought bananas, they let them turn brown. So I don't know. Kids are weird. Sometimes they want it, sometimes they don't. Got penne pasta for Alfredo and then spaghetti, which I'm probably going to, yeah, I'm definitely only going to use half this box, 1 pound. So we have more noodles for another spaghetti night. I got a half a gallon of milk because we still have a half gallon in the fridge. So I just only got us a half gallon. And then I got Baby Drew some peaches, which I'm going to take some of these out and put them into a Tupperware container for her to snack on. Mini bagels for the kids for breakfast. They really like those. Muffins for myself for breakfast sandwiches. And then some bread for peanut butter and jelly and sandwiches. Doritos, chocolate chip cookies, roasted garlic pasta sauce, vegetable oil for tonight for frying up the chicken tenders, Pop-Tarts for Brock, loaded baked potato, mashed potatoes. And then I'm going to crack these open to see if they're good. So I showed y'all the ones that were in Walmart that I love. They are so good. So I'm going to try these and see if they are like similar. I definitely need to eat something. My body feels weak. Okay. I mean, ooh, they look just like the ones in Walmart. Little chocolate balls. This is exactly what they look like. Okay. They taste exactly the same. Thank you, Jesus. Okay. So I can get them at Aldi for cheaper. Okay. These are so good. Let me show you what they look like on the inside. I guess that is kind of what they look like. Right there. Oh my God, you're so good. They're such a good little snack. I'm so happy. Okay. I think I have one chicken patty left. So I'm gonna have this for lunch, maybe with some chips. And then I'll start cooking around like 2 o'clock. And I need to write in my journal because I haven't written in it this morning. Because I literally got up, I had an appointment to go to, and then right after my appointment, I went to grocery shop. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this all away and I'll catch up with y'all later. All right, so I'm starting to cook right now. I season this with paprika, garlic and herb, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, and then I did the same seasoning in here, and with some pre-seasoned flour mix also, and I just put seasoned some flour, and then I also put mustard on this instead of egg. Okay, so here's the first batch. They're looking real good. Okay. These chicken tenders, so good. So good.